Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 28th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the binary puzzle. And this one will be number 9673. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. A binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with double ones. Here no, there no. 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 Now the double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Then double O's. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. 3 O's we have here. If we place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And double O's, here one, there one. Finish. 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Within 3 minutes, so we're well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.